Bago pa lang sila sa market, marami pa silang mga pakulo. Guys, thanks for clicking this video. This is Ira, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share to you my favorite digibank, which is TONIK. This was launched last March of 2021, and I was able to open my personal account around May, and I have been using my account for almost 8 months. The good thing is that I haven't encountered any issues yet. Very convenient. And sa pag-open pa lang, you don't have to go to the personal branch or to any branches of TONIK, and you don't have to take a long line because you can just open an account online. There are many things that you can enjoy in using TONIK since bago pa lang sila sa market, marami silang mga pakulo. So ano pang inaantay mo? Let's maximize those perks bago pa mawala, diba? Personally, since I've been using TONIK for 8 months, there are features na favorite ko compare sa mga traditional bank and other digibank like ING, Como, CIMB, because I have an account on those banks as well. Pero there are 6 features na I love about TONIK. First is that I am using TONIK for my savings account. Hindi lang siya nagsisave doon, it also earns up to 1% per annum, which is not bad. Second is the stashes. You can designate your money kung para saan ba to. So, instead of putting it on the bank, I have it on my stashes where I can earn up to 4.5% per annum. Also, the favorite among the 6 features of TONIK that I experience is the time deposit, which you can earn up to 6% per annum. Diba, ang laki doon? May ibang bank pa ba na nag-o-offer ng ganon? Experience depositing my money last May when I opened my account, and nag-earn na siya. For 6 months, I entered 12,000 and nag-earn siya ng 300. So for me, since I've been using traditional bank, specifically sa PS Bank, I used to put my emergency fund doon. Pero yung 12,000 na nag-earn ng 300 pesos sa TONIK, yung pera ko na more than 12,000 sa PS Bank, hindi siya nag-earn ng ganun. So, malaking bagay din yung time deposit. What if naglagay ka doon ng mas malaki pa? And also, ang maganda dun sa time deposit, hindi lang siya nag-earn ng 6%. In case na magkaroon ng emergency na kailanganin mo na mag-withdraw or i-withdraw yung pera mo dun sa time deposit, you can get it, pero you will not earn 6%. Instead, you will earn 1%. And there is no lockdown fee. The fourth thing that I love TONIK is that they send you a monthly SOA, statement of account, every first day of the month. And meron pa silang endearment, which is love. So, di ba? Nandun lahat yung transaction, lahat ng dinideposit mo, kina-cash out mo, lahat nandoon. So, very comfortable na gamit. Fifth thing na gusto ko kay TONIK is that wala siyang maintaining balance. Di ba kasi sa ibang mga bangko like PS Bank, kailangan yung account mo may 2,000 pesos para hindi siya mag-closed. Unlike dito kay TONIK, kahit maglagay ka ng 1,150 pesos, that's fine kasi nga wala siyang maintaining balance. And then, gusto ko kay TONIK is yung no minimum deposit. Kahit mag-deposit ka ng 100 pesos, kapag may sobra ka sa allowance mo or sa savings mo, then you can do it. So, paano ba mag-cash in or deposit or cash out and withdraw kay TONIK nang walang bayad? I personally use Union Bank, pero meron silang other way like PesoNet, Union Bank, BPI for free transaction. Pero if you will use other bank like GCash, there are 25 pesos fee. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for clicking and watching this video. If you're planning to open your account, again, please don't forget to use my code. Thank you and have a great one.